Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Lenovo Tab M10 tablet. In this video, you will learn how to turn off a tiling keypad tone in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. First of all, go to phone dialer here, phone icon, and go to the dialer using this dots. And here, if you type numbers, you will get the sound. Okay, while pressing each number you will get a sound. If you would like to turn off this tiling keyboard sound, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is just go to the settings of your tablet here, then go to sound, and here you will find a tile pad tone. Just to turn off this button so that you will not get any sound hereafter if you tile numbers from the tiling keypad. See here, listen here, no sound appearing, no sound is hearable. So in this way you can easily turn off a tiling keypad sound in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.